any concern that this can backfire and draw more attention?
I mean, look, we're already in it. Families are being ripped apart. They killed Renee Good. They shot her 3 times. She's not the only person who's been shot. We've passed the point. We have to say what we believe, what our laws are, and who we're going to stand up for and protect.
You cannot claim to care about children and support ICE. You cannot claim to put families first and support ICE. You cannot condemn violence and support ICE.
As a church leader, I visit congregations all across the country. Churches that were full of people are now almost empty. People are not staying away because they lost faith. They are staying away because they are afraid. Afraid to drive, afraid to go to work, afraid to worship.
As ICE continues to operate with lawlessness and lack of accountability, you have a responsibility to do everything within your power to protect our residents and our public spaces.
This is what federal immigration enforcement unfortunately looks like in 2026. Armed men in masks, no accountability, no transparency. And let me just speak specifically about masks. Throughout our history, masks have been used in our country and in particular by American law enforcement to shield the wearer from accountability. They've been used for terror, for impunity and anonymity from violence. That was true at our founding as we celebrate 250 years here in the county and the country. And it's true today, unfortunately, with federal law enforcement. In the 1920s, when the Ku Klux Klan reemerged, its founder, William Simmons, bragged that Klan members existed, quote, at every level of law enforcement, that the sheriff was often the first to join the Klan when they came to town. In Anaheim, California, the Klan took over the city council and let police patrol in Klan uniforms instead of badges. That's the history of masks and law enforcement in our country. One of terror, one of impunity, and one of violence. It's one we reject here in Montgomery County, and our law enforcement rejects it. Any law enforcement officer worth their salt will tell you, you don't build trust by hiding who you are. So that's why we're here introducing these bills. That's why I'm introducing with all my colleagues here, Bill 526, the Unmask ICE Act. It'll prohibit law enforcement, federal, state, or local, from wearing a mask while interacting with the public in Montgomery County. There are common sense exceptions for medical masks, for SWAT operations, and for emergency situations like extreme cold weather. We need to act now, and we need to do what we can at our level of government. Final thing I'll say is the 10th Amendment is clear. The federal government cannot commandeer local resources. They cannot dictate how we manage our own property. They cannot force us to participate in their regime of terror. If you want to act as law enforcement in our community, show your face like every other officer.